Okay. Nine 30 I will stop. So now we'll get into the domain concept. Also, I showed you the data element, standard data element also in which places it is using. For example, if I take here MADNR, I showed you so many tables. This is using in Mara table and MARC table, and it uses in MARD table, MARD table, MAKTX. So many tables, they use the same data element. Yeah. Okay. So now we will go for the topic of domain concept. This is the domain. Domain concept is like this. It's the domain, data element 1, data element 2, data element 3. So all like different data elements can refer to one data domain. Domain. And still again, these data elements can be used, multiple tables. Here. Table 1, table 2, table 3. Like this, you can use in multiple here. Okay. And also you can use in the different programs as well. It's the program here. Program 1, program 2. So like this, you can use either here or here. Okay. So this is the domain here. Domain contains the technical attributes. Domain contains technical attributes. And to use the domain, we must create first. We must create first data element. Domain. This is an entry question. Domain cannot be used directly either in the tables or in the programs. Not possible. Okay, now we'll create one new domain. We'll go to system. Right? This is the table. So we'll create a gender as a new field, gender. You need to create a data element, gender. Click on enter. That is not created. Double click here. Click on yes. Click on yes. You give answer. Gender. Right? Here, right? Don't choose the built-in type. We choose the domain here option. Go to field label here. Give here as gender. Okay. Gender. Type it here. Give the package. Check syntax. So domain we are not defined. Go to here. Data type. You can give the get here domain. Get image. Check domain here. D default domain. Right? No active. Click on double click here. Click on yes. Click on yes. It will give one more skill to create a domain. Give as general. So data type you can do here is character. Character. So gender one. Right? So we'll see this one. This is the purpose basically. So with the gender, these are the possibilities are there. You can give the length, what length you want. Okay, you want conversion routine, sign, case sensitive. This is possible only with the domain. Save it here. Choose the package. Enter here. Now go to the value range here. So now you can restrict the value to give only either M or F. If I go M here, you can give as male. If you give as F, you can give as female. Okay. So that when you are inserting the data into this table, it will allow only male or female only. Fixed values. Save it here. Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Back. Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Back now. Go to insert the data. Right. This is the table. Back. SM30. Right click on edit here. New entries. So gender is not coming, right? Why? What could be the reason? Think and tell me. I have added the extra field, but it is not coming.
TMG not done.
Correct. TMZ we have to create again because the TMZ if you don't create, it won't come. Already we have created, but with the previous fields. That is the reason. No.
So
For that, what we should is
each field we should be generate, so whenever we create.
because the concept here is TMZ means it creates the structure of the fields currently available on the table. Right. So TMC we created earlier. At that time, it was not having the gender field.
Yes.
So since now you added the new field, you need to create again the TMC. So otherwise, it won't affect the new field what you have added. For that, go to here, utilities, development and generator. So you cannot you have to delete and again create a TMC. Now again create a TMC. Click on create or go back, go to utilities, development and generator, right? Give here function group name as here and give two step. One step is homework. You should do one step. 100, 200. Click on create now. Now what is doing is system is generating a screens actually. Screen number 100 and 200 with the current table structure. System generated one new two screens and with this program as well. This program you can double click here. This is the program now. Or you can take this program name. You can check this in SC80. SC80. Okay, go to take this name now. To go to SC80, the backend is concept is like this. Go to SC80. Right? Choose the here function group here. Copy here. See, it has generated system automatically here. The screens also it has been generated 100 and 200. This is what the TMC meaning. So TMC means you are creating a table maintenance with the program and system will generate automatically the scans and program. Okay. This is scans what is there in the table structure here.
Sir, we are just now at TNG are doing. Suppose if I maintain the SM30 for existing records, where TNG done in SM30, the data can be deleted or
No, no, no. Data will not touch anything. Good question. Data will not happen to anything. Only you are changing the structure of the TMC only.
suppose I maintain Rajesh and Prakash, there is no gender field in existing records.
You can modify now.
We can modify now.
We can. We can modify. Let's see. We can see now that. Good question. Yeah. Right now, what I do is I'll go to here. I am in SM30. Back. Go to SM30 again. Click on edit here. Right now, you see gender is came as a modification option here. You can modify. If you want new record, you can go to new records. Right? 300. Kumar. Pune. I can choose here. Na? M. or F here. We choose M for mail, save it here, back here, right, back here, edit here. Now you have three records here. If you want, you can change this one, mail, mail. But whereas you see the employee number, you are not able to save, sorry, change it. Right? What is the reason? Could be think.
Primary key.
Right? Because the primary key, once the primary key table is created, you cannot modify that record. So TMC, what is TMC purpose? You can create, you can modify, you can delete. Suppose you want to delete this one, you can delete this one. Click on this, click on minus here. Record is deleted. Right? If you want to modify here, you can do modification here. I can modify here. Right? All this is possible through SM30. This is the interview question for the freshers especially. What are the things you can do through the SM30? Why we need SM30? So all very basic questions, but the way that we answer, right? It will be different if we explore, get the concept and do the practically, then it will be different answer will give. Especially freshers, whoever trying for a fresher, right? You should not lose the opportunity because expectations will be a little bit less if you go as a fresher. So always the expectations will be based on the concepts only. Concepts, they will not expect any much in the real time expectations, right? Because we go as a fresher, trained only. So we should not lose that opportunity of as a fresher. Fresher means completely they go for ABAP dictionary very deep because it's a base. That is the reason. Okay. So what is the advantage of gender? Sorry, domain. Think and tell me. What is the advantage of gender? Try explore. Go to ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT also. Tell me what is the purpose of gender? Why we need a gender? Sorry, not gender. Why we need a domain? What is the difference between domain and a data element? Explore yourself for 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Complete training should be explore, not just what I know teaching. I should enable the participants how to search, how to think, how to do analysis. That is what the training. Think, search, read for 5 minutes. What is the difference between data element and domain? What is the purpose of domain? Do it yourself. Explore and tell me at least 2, 3 points. What is the purpose of domain? Why? What is the difference between domain and data element? Ask for ChatGPT.
One is define the structure.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What is the exact difference
It's work.
of domain and a
Provide
data
the
element?
technical and semantic definition for fields and table structure. Characters, numerics, lengths, and reusability.
Hmm.
Data element can be reusable.
and create the bridge between domain and fields.
Domain also reusable. Can we use the domain in the ABAP program or not? Ask
No.
ChatGPT.
As you
Ask
said that
ChatGPT,
no.
can we use the domain? So can we use the domain inside the table and inside the ABAP program or not? Check it that. Ask the ChatGPT, it gives correct answer or not. Like what the question is, can we use the domain directly inside the,
Can be
you are
used
seeing my screen,
through,
right? No?
it can be used through only data element only.
Correct. It is giving that answer.
Not directly, it can be used through data element.
Can we use the domain directly inside the table and inside ABAP program or not? Right? For this answer is we cannot, right?
Yes.
That can be if you do it hands-on, practically, then you understood. You don't forget it. There is a theory answer. Yes, we cannot use the domain inside the program and inside the data element. Let's see practically now. Let's see. If I go to,
But in real time, how can we differentiate as a domain? This is the domain, this is the data. Based on the length character like that, or
no. We cannot differentiate that way. We cannot. We have to go to SC11, check it only. Or double click that. And we don't need also that feature. Because in many cases, the name of the data element domain both are same only. I'll show you that now system. So if you go to here, first I'll try to create that in the program, for example. We go to here. In the program, I'll try to use that p underscore gender, type, and domain name I'll give here. So this is the domain. So this is not a domain, right? Double click here. This is the domain. Copy this name. Check syntax here.
P underscore GN or GN.
I give this only, right? Domain name.
But starting
Here.
P underscore
This is the domain name.
GNE.
No, this is the domain name. This one. ZMAHGEND. This one only.
He's asking at the P underscore GNE, that type, that one, right? Sorry.
This one,
Yes.
Either this one,
Yes.
Yes.
This one does not matter actually.
Okay.
Because this is one name only.
Name.
P is some person, P is parameter. This does not
Gender
matter.
or anything we can give. GNE like that.
Anything we can give. Anything we can give. See, now it will throw the error message. What it's saying?
It is unknown.
Unknown. Right? That is the concept actually.
Okay, it is not
Because
like
it is
in
a
the
domain, you
program.
can't use. So you can't use that directly in the ABAP program. Now try to create use in the ABAP table actually, in the table, in your own table now. Okay. Maybe in this table, or you can take one more table, which is already created maybe. Let's see. Don't think so. Oh, only one table, huh? So, no problem. We can quickly create one table, department table. Department. Right? Click on create. Department table. Okay, so I choose department table here as occupation data. Maintain download. Go to the fields. Here, MANDT. Right? MANDT. Department number. Okay. Primary key. So create a data element. ZMA DEPT number. Double click here.
Sir, each field we
Click on
should
yes.
update the domain.
Yes, every field you should create a domain. That is the practice we should follow. Without a domain also you can create, but right, that fixed values case or sign lower case, those cases if you need, it is a must to go for domain. In all that standard tables I'll show you now, everywhere is must they use. I cannot say must, they use the domain. Domain data element. In the projects also, in the functional designs, if you get a requirement, right, ask the technical people to create a domain also. Even the fixed values, this concept is there or not, ask them to create a domain. If in the future anything comes requirement, easy. Ask them not to create any field without a domain. Okay, hello?
Yes, yes.
Click on save. You will get later. I'll explain some other topics, not now, of a few days.
Oh,
More
okay, sir.
features of domain. Okay, na? So that may get more clarity. Now click here. Click on yes. Right here, department number. Now me when practicing, I'm doing. I don't create. You practice with the domain now. For department number, right? Numeric 3 digits. Go to field label, department number. Save it here. Right? Package and click syntax. Activate. Enter. Back here. Department name. So I have the other practice programs also I can give on this table. Different 2, 3 different scenarios are there. Department name. Right? Go to here, built-in type, character, and T. 10. Department number. Name, department name. Save it here. Activate. So in the department number, also department table also will maintain the employee number, right? Here, employee number here. Now tell me, for the employee number, do I need to create again the data element? Already I can use what I have created already. Today morning we have created one data element, right? For the employee number. Can I use that or I should create a separate one?
You can use this.
Same, that is the purpose actually, right? That is the purpose of data element, reusability. This is the reusability. What we are doing is reusability. This is the reusability now. And gender, if you want maintain of this person, gender now. Now I'll try to create not create, I'll give you a domain name here. See here, domain name. I'll create this. Not data element, it's a domain. Save it here. Check syntax here. Can you see it? There is a mistake. Department name also mistake, huh? No, right? Department name. Huh? Why the mistake? Think and tell me. Show you a mistake of department name also. Think and tell me.
The shorten medium test, if you give any wrong, that should be the different one if you are using.
No, but department name is coming mistake also. Department name. Here, see department name. Huh? It's saying that component type or domain used not exist. Means it's not active.
Reactive.
What not active? Data element not active. Double click here. This is inactive, right? Because new. Right? If you activate, it won't come that error. Activate this. Click on back. Right? Now check syntax. Now what error is coming? For gender. Right? Because gender, you are not giving data element, you are giving a domain. Hence, it won't accept here. This is a domain, not a data element here. So it is asking, do you want to create a data element? So that's why it won't accept. Give the data element of this one. See, for example, you know domain. You don't know data element. How do you find out? In there is SAP, there is one important concept. How do you find it? Got my point? So I know domain, but I don't know in which data element we are using this domain. Think and tell me. Very important feature.
Select a data type. Select a data type to find out the data element.
But I know only domain, not a data element. There is no, this is the domain is this button here. I know only domain. But I don't know in which data element you are using this domain. This is a very important feature, right? You might be knowing already. I mean, some of you might be knowing already, maybe. One powerful feature of SAP. You know, where is list, right? Where is list?
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's great. Because right? So where is list? Without where is list, SAP is more powerful. Where is list concept? Put a cursor here. Click here and choose the data element here and press enter here now. Now it lists out where you are using. It's showing this data element name. Take this, copy this data element. Then you use this data element, it works your table. This is the proof of practically where domain cannot be used inside the table and program. If we practice this easily to tell in the interview. Okay, so you can also do this same table what I created. Same way this one also. And insert the data. In the next class we'll create a foreign key for these two tables. Department table and employee table. So by that time you create these two tables. And also I'll give some more tables to practice with more fields. That's all now. Now you can see insert the data. Okay, I'll stop class here.